Good morning, boys and girls! Today we are going to be learning what lives in beehives. Kids, do you know what lives in a beehive? That's right! Bees live in beehives!
And in this beehive, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. We have 5 bees. Can anyone tell me what color bees are?
That bee is yellow and black, and it has white wings.
It has 2 wings.
They all look the same, Miss Santana.
Most bees look alike. Some are small and some are bigger.
I think they are very pretty. I noticed that they each have 3 black stripes. There's 1, 2, and 3 on every bee.
Do you know if bees fly? If they crawl? How do bees move around?
Well, these bees have wings, so I think that they fly.
Yes, the bees fly and they can fly around their beehive. They can go in their beehive and come back out. And in their beehive, they make honey. Have you ever tried honey before?
I love honey. It's so sweet.
And it's super sticky.
It is sticky. I get real messy. Where are all the bees going?
They're going back in the beehive. And if you want to pretend beehive at home, you can get your laundry basket and roll up your socks and stick them through the holes. And you can pretend like your bees are making honey.
Bye, guys. You have a great day.